Okay, so let's go ahead and look at number 2. Almost exactly the same. Literally the only difference is the numbers, I would say. So it says the number line below shows the first temperature measured at night and the second temperature measured in the morning. And so like I said in the last part of the video, what you notice is there's an increase here, right? From the first to the second, the temperature went up. What is the difference between the first and the second temperature? Okay, so like I said before, what we want to do is, because it's an increase, right? It went up. What we want to do is take the larger temperature and subtract so that we show the difference between the two and we show the increase of the temperature. So what I recommend is take the larger number and then subtract it because there was an increase. So I'm going to take 4 3/4 since that's larger, clearly, because this is positive and the other's negative, minus, we're going to do negative 3 1/4. Right, now, anytime you have two negatives facing each other, you get a plus. And so now we add 4 3/4 plus 3 1/4. So adding mixed numbers, again, it's easier to line them up and then separate the whole numbers and the fractions. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and then 3/4 plus 1/4, that gives me, again, 4/4, which is 1. So here I have 7 plus 1, which is 8. So the difference between them is 8 degrees. Okay, so that's what I just want to make sure is if you subtracted between the two, negative 3/4 minus 4 3/4, what I said before, if you took the difference between those two numbers, you would get a negative 8. But because, like I said, there's an increase in temperature, that means that the answer should be still a positive 8. So just remember to take the first number, sorry, I got distracted. Remember to take the first or the bigger number first and then subtract, especially in terms of the context of the problem. There's an increase in temperature. So the difference is 8 degrees. You wouldn't say like negative 8, for example. So your answer, you would just put 8. Okay, so give the others a go. So you're going to have, again, very similar questions, almost the same. The only difference is literally the numbers. And so what I'm saying again is make sure to take the second temperature, the bigger number first, and then subtract. And good luck.